Hi, welcome back to Scents by Tingle on YouTube. I'm Donna, your independent Scentsy consultant. So today we got a package and we are going to dive right in. So if you guys don't remember, back in February of 2019, Disney launched with Scentsy and their products. One of the first buddies that came out was this little guy right here, which my daughter over here, which I haven't introduced, my guest today. This is my daughter. This little guy, Stitch, came out in February, and she has been trying to steal it from me for quite a while because it just sits on my desk. So, but you know, for all of you who follow my page, you know that my grandbaby is going to be getting all of this that you can see behind me. But anyway, so Stitch came out. He was $35. He came with his own personal scent pack, and you could also get the bar to go with it, which was Stitch Experiment 626. Now, if you guys have not smelled this bar, it is one of my ultimate favorites that Disney has come out with. Can you smell that?
Oh, I like that.
Yeah, so I bought a couple because she's been trying to get at my Disney collection. I've been hoarding the bars, so I bought a couple of these because they are available right now. Unfortunately, I have to say that the scent pack for Stitch has gone into the vault and pretty fast. It was only within 2 days, so we got that. But if you guys are a Lilo and Stitch fan, you guys know for a fact that Stitch had a cousin. She didn't show up very much in the actual movie, but in the TV series on Disney that I have researched, she did show up a lot, and my daughter's very excited to open the box. Now, I've already opened it, so I know exactly what she looks like, of course. But this will be a first look at Angel, Lilo and Stitch cousin. So, well, let's go. And excuse me if you see cats running around. We're trying to keep them out of the office, but it's not working. All right, here we go. Look at the box. The box is about the size that Donald and Daisy and Goofy and Pluto came in.
Oh my god!
I love it. I love it. So, as you can see, she's got, you know, antlers or tangles on the back of her. Her ears are very stiff. She's about the same softness as Stitches, so she also has the same backing. It must be probably from, you know, the little things. I wasn't really into Lilo and Stitch watching it, so, you know, but instead of her having little plumage, which I'm assuming, well, that's what you get when you film straight through and you have animals. So instead of having the little plumage like Stitch does, she's got
her antennas.
She's like a pink lavenderish color, both mixed in there. The Scentsy is the Scentsy, if you look, is going to be on her foot there, just like Stitch has it. And then on the back of her, she also has the same thing. Pull down the zipper. Now, she has a completely different scent. It is called Angel Experiment 624, where Stitch was 626. So now, if you watch the show or you watch the movie, maybe that played something into it. I can honestly say I didn't really remember. That was years and years and years ago. But this one also comes in the same color as she is, and she's got her cute little picture on there. And on top of that, Disney also came out with her own special bar, which you can get both of these bars in the Scentsy Club, even though they go into the vault. So this is going to be a first sniff for both me and my daughter, Haylee. So here we go. I didn't really look up to see what was all in it, so we're just going to kind of figure it out ourselves. Ooh, I really like that.
Oh.
It's a little perfumey, I will say that.
Smell like bubblegum.
Bubblegum, that's what I'm getting too. But can you identify the bubblegum to give them?
Juicy fruit.
Juicy fruit. I'm envisioning the thing, so yeah, and like I said, it's very perfumey, but not very strong. And you know what? The two of these together probably smell amazing putting them together. Maybe I'll try both of these because I did pick up a couple of these bars. Now, the whole package itself, Stitch is available, and you can get both of them, plus their scent packs, plus their bars for $80. And it is while supplies last. But if you already have Stitch because you were one of the lucky people who did buy them in February, you can get Angel there just for $35, and it comes with her scent pack. So you can get both bars each for $6.50. And being that this is still available, you can get this for $7.50. So I'm not sure if these guys are going to make it up on my wall, as you can see behind me, but they will. I've already talked to her about it. She may end up running away. So all the links will be down below. And as always, guys, look out for the next unboxing. My daughter here is here with me for the second time in a video, and she wanted to do this. She wanted to open it herself. So if you want your own, check me out. Until next time, see you later.
Hi, Donna here with Scents by Tingle. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share to this YouTube channel. Till next time, thanks for watching.